Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you are who you say you are. Configure SBF and DKIM so Gmail can verify your domain. Add a DMARC policy to report problems. Once done, use a reputable ESB or a dedicated IP to separate reputation. Make sure to add your sending address to recipients' contacts and encourage them to mark your messages as not spam. This reduces false spam signals and builds trust, so Gmail learns you belong in the inbox. Now focus on what you send. Write concise subjects, avoid spammy phrases and too many symbols, and never use deceptive headers. Make your from name and reply to consistent, include a visible unsubscribe option and physical address to meet best practices. Keep HTML lightweight, inline CSS, sane image ratios, and a good text-to-image balance, so Gmail's content filters see real, valuable messages. Once consistent, Gmail's machine learning will slowly treat your mail as legitimate. Finish by monitoring and iterating. Use Gmail Postmaster and your ESB's logs to track spam rates, authentication passes, and IP reputation. Send test messages to several fresh Gmail accounts to confirm inbox placement and tweak cadence, content, or list hygiene as needed. If problems persist, check DNS, review complaint rates and blacklists, and pause high-volume sends until reputation recovers. One key troubleshooting tip. If you still land in spam, reduce volume and isolate a small test segment to diagnose the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.